movies, best site to download Bollywood movies, best SD movie download. All these are low difficulty keywords and they are having very good volume. Like best SD movie CC, best SD movies 2019. So you can target these keywords if you want. So yeah, the one more feature has been added by Google, but it is under beta mode right now. So refining of keyword will make your keyword more exact, more specific. So you can add a brand or non-branded. You can look for branded or non-branded keywords. For example, if you want to add branded, okay, let me show how refined keywords will work. Let us search for a keyword shoes, a very common keyword shoes. It is very difficult to rank on shoes. So let us see how we can refine it, how we can make it more specific. The more specific keywords you choose, more easier it will be for you to rank those keywords on Google search. So basically these are the keywords, low competition keywords, like shoe stores. By default the location is India. If you want to change the location, just go to the location section and click on this. For example, if you want to search for US, United States country, for example, if you want to search only for US, so remove India from search option, click on save. Okay, so now as you can see, location has been changed. So these are the keywords which you can use if you wish to rank keywords. Let us make them more specific. For example, if you want to search for a particular brand of shoe, for example, if you want to search for Nike, so what you can do is you can deselect all the other options and select the particular one for which you want to check the keyword stats. So you can see now these keywords have become more specific. These are the keywords: shoe stores, old school, shoe shops near me, shoe stores near me. These are good keywords. If you want, you can rank for them. You can work on them. Volume is also very nice, 10,000 to 100,000. Competition is low, and let us just learn how to refine them. For example, if we want to search only for Nike, so let us see. So now the keywords have been refined. They are showing keywords related to Nike only. So Nike, as you can see, If you want, you can search for Adidas outlet near me, and StockX Yeezy trainers. Or if you want to search for medium keywords also, if you feel that you can rank for medium keywords if you have a good amount of budget. So these are the medium and low density, low competition keyword that you can use in your post. So selecting keywords and writing an SEO optimized article about content, unique content, which revolves around your topic and your keywords. It is a part of on-page SEO, and there are more things that you need to do apart from on-page SEO. You have to take care of off-page SEO also. You have to make good amount of high-quality content. For that, you can do guest post on related niche websites. We will discuss that in our coming video. And one more thing, you can, if you want, you can download these keyword ideas. Just click on download keyword ideas. A report will be prepared for you according to yourself. So just click on download keyword ideas and your keyword will be downloaded, a report will be downloaded for you, and you can make an Excel sheet of around 10 to 12 keywords which you want to use in your article. It depends on the topic of your article, how many keywords you wish to use. And there is a time duration feature also. You can check what all keywords are having what kind of stats according to the time range. You can change the time range over here. For example, if you want to see the performance of these keywords over last 12 months or last month, so just click on last month. For example, if you want to search for March, for the month of March 2020, so these are the stats for the same keywords. So this is the basic idea about keyword research, and you can search any kind of keyword you want. So just prepare an Excel sheet and write down all the keywords which are there in your mind, and one by one check their metrics in Google Keyword Planner. So that's all for now. We will bring more such videos. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to eGyan. Thanks for watching.